Good morning. So this is like a voiceover because you guys already know that I'm not that good in multitasking, but now it's Monday, as you guys might know already. This week I don't have any exams or quizzes coming, which is pretty good. But next week I have 2 quizzes, I think. So yeah. So walking to school, the bus stop. So yeah, the bus will come soon, so I'm sorry. See you after school. So bye. Hi, welcome to Ivy's Crusty Kitchen. Today we'll be making some kind of old stuff. I don't know. So now let's take all of the stuff we need. First, we need this bowl to grab something. Wait. And we need this scale. Now let's just pour the butter into that bowl. Let's microwave it.
Ivy is currently baking some oat stuff. She really likes to cook. Also, thank you so much for almost 200 subscribers.
So this is the whole stuff I bought from H&M. First this shirt, it's pretty basic but cute, and this top. Now it's time to clean my room.